It's going to be the most important video that you watch today. Trust me, you're going to want to see this all the way through. If you're looking to replace your 9 to 5 in 2023, there's two important things that you must know. Number one is keep it super simple. A lot of people think that you need all this fancy technical equipment. You got to have all these fancy gadgets around the house. You got to learn all these crazy technical skill sets. But in reality, all you need is a phone and or laptop. In many cases, just a phone nowadays, and just 1 hour a day to invest in your side hustle. The second thing is get fully informed. I teach people for free on my YouTube channel exactly what it is that I do, step by step, to create a full-time income online. So if you want to see, plain and simple, everything that I do, if you want to see my entire blueprint, if you want to learn over my shoulder exactly what I do to create a full-time income online, go to this URL right here, take a screenshot, save it for future reference, type it in your browser, tap the bottom of the screen, do what you need to do, but get over to this URL and I will show you step by step over the shoulder exactly what it is I do. And if you have any questions, I'll leave my phone number on these videos so you can easily send me a text. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, but otherwise go right here right now and I'll see you on the inside.